Hello and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. I've got an exciting announcement for you. I have just released my Diamond Coloring Patterns Pack for you. Many of you have purchased the Gold Patterns Pack, and it's been a pretty big hit, and I'm sure you have enjoyed creating several coloring books with those coloring book backgrounds. I have been asked to create another one. When's my next one going to come out? For months, and it does take a lot of work to put these together. Last time I did hire a designer, and it can get kind of costly to get designs created like this. So this time I actually did a combination of hiring a designer and then also creating many of them myself. And so, you're going to get 100% unique designs in this package. It's the Diamonds pack. And here's one of the first things that you're going to be asking is this like, does this also include the bronze, silver, and gold? Any of the images, coloring book images from those packages? And the answer is no. The Diamond pack is 100% brand new. There's no, build on or incentive to get the Diamond pack, and then it includes all of them. That's not the case in this package. The Diamond Coloring Patterns pack comes with 210 designs and one done-for-you Canva template. Last time I did a PowerPoint template. This time I'm throwing in a Canva template, which I thought was pretty cool to create and interesting. A lot of you are going to be using Canva in this business. So just to make sure that that's clear, every single one of these, all 210 of these are not included in the gold, bronze, or silver packages. So if you have the gold pack or any of the other packages, and you want to get the diamond pack, then it will be worth your while because you're going to be adding to your collection, and you're going to be adding 210 brand new designs. None of them are included in the other packages. So hope that makes sense. So you can see I have some really high quality floral or flower type designs right in here. You can see what it will look like once it's colored, and just some really, really cool coloring book backgrounds that you can throw quotes on. These are really good to put quotes on, or you can take shapes or animals or anything else and put over these as a bonus to make really unique coloring books. We've got our first rating. We've got a 5-star rating. And what you will get is PNG format, 210. These are 300 DPI patterns, high quality. You can use these. You can't take this package and then resell it as is. That is not included in the license. You must take these and create unique coloring books from them. So that's very important. So you can't just take this and go and sell the package on Fiverr or Etsy. I will find those designs and I will, ask you to take them down. So please do not do that. And I do get a lot of people asking, can I resell my stuff? So you can read through here about all the important details on what this covers. And you can also look through here. There's plenty of different examples of the different coloring backgrounds. You won't find any of these. These have never been created. These are not from Creative Fabrica. These are my designs that I created myself. And you can see all these really nice flower ones, and just a variety of all kinds of different shapes and different backgrounds. I even threw in some like that. You can throw in text in the background and color the background in that one black. All these different flower designs. And then also here's what the done for you template looks like. And I will show you that as well. But this is what a good sample of what you're going to get in this. So this is the Canva template that you will get. And it's already set up for you with margins and a black border around it. And then it has text. Change the text out on some of these, but you're welcome to just change the font to whatever you like. And you can see that is really high quality, and you're able to put whatever, it's kind of just a done for you pack, kind of fun. You can throw in whatever text or other designs on top of these that you want, but it is it's an interior that's done for you. And once you change that then to whatever you're wanting your coloring book to be, then it will be unique. You can also take these once you get the file, and you can move these around. And so you can move them around and to make sure that they're kind of shuffled and created the way that you want them to be. So just a variety of different ways that I kind of put the text in there over a lot of the different pages that you get, and you can see some really, really cool pages that you get in this coloring book package. So another thing that you can do, I'll come in here and we will, okay, so here is what the package looks like. And you can just see these ones are very high quality flower designs, and then you have some other ones as well, like this one right here. And you just get a really, really crazy amount of variety in this package. Really, really cool designs. And you can use these for creating as many coloring books as you want. And we created, I created some that are zoomed in quite a bit, and then some that are zoomed out. So then there's a variety. Obviously the ones that are zoomed out a lot are going to take longer to color and it'll be a little bit more difficult. And the ones that are zoomed in are going to be more detailed and going to be a little easier and less time consuming to color. But just really, really awesome coloring pages. So this is the Diamonds coloring pack.